Hi there to all you passionate teachers and homeschooling parents out there. This is Tian from the Abuti Syllabus, and I'm quickly going to show you how to activate the software offline if you're having problems with your internet. So we're going to send you a link that looks like this, and you just need to click on that link that takes you to a Google Drive folder. Here you will see a little zip file that you need to download. So you can right click on this file and say download, or you can go to these little three dots over here and say download. So I've already downloaded the file and put it into a folder. So let's go to that folder, which is here. And now I need to unzip this file. So I'm just going to right click and use the zip program that I've chosen, or that I have on my computer at this moment. I'm just going to say extract here, and this unzips that file or folder, which you can then access. So if you go into this folder, you will see a debug folder with lots of files. Okay, and the only thing that you now need to do is select all of these files, and you can just copy that, and then you need to go to your flash drive. You go into setup, debug, and then you just right click and paste. It's going to ask you to copy and replace, and you can just select, do this for all conflicts, copy and replace all those files. You just do that for all the folders and files. It takes a few seconds. And as soon as this is done, you can just click on the Abuti exe, and your software should run without any issues. So let's do that. Double click on the Abuti exe file. Let's give it a second. I think I have a lot of things running. There we go. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful. And if you have any other doubts, feel free to email us at info@abutisyllabus.com.